and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to turn off read receipts on Messenger. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to turn off read receipts on Messenger, you need to first of all open your Messenger. Now you need to go and tap open your profile. Once you're in your profile, you need to switch back to settings, and here you need to simply scroll down below. Once you simply scroll down below, you need to go to read and receipt toggle. So once you find this option in your settings, you can basically find this under privacy and safety. So here you can find the option called read receipts. Now simply tap on it and simply tap the toggle to the left hand side. Once you tap on the toggle to the left hand side, you can simply turn off read receipts on Messenger. But remember, this also stops you from seeing others' receipt. For specific chat, you need to use the restrict or adjust in chat settings, as the main toggle affects all the conversation. So this is how you can simply turn off read receipts on Messenger. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.